Cut a hole in the Firestone EPDM geomembrane panel that is approximately 75% of the outside diameter of the pipe protruding from the substrate. Then, slide the membrane into place over the base of the pipe. In the event you cannot move it, cut the panel to expose the pipe. Then cut a target patch with a properly sized hole and place it over the pipe. Ensure the liner is dry and free of mud and other contaminants. Seam the target patch to the Firestone EPDM geomembrane panel with primer and either 6-inch quick seam cover strip or quick seam splice tape. When using Firestone products, follow all appropriate safety guidelines.